Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Faris Encik Musa daripada Kumpulan 4. Bersama saya ialah Fasihah dan Nur Akilah. Okay, untuk simulation ini saya pilih Starbucks drive-thru untuk simulation kami. Kila, slide yang seterusnya. Introduction. Starbucks and American is the world's largest chain of coffee house in the head office is located in Seattle, Washington, and founded in 1971. The first branch was opened in Kuala Lumpur on 17 December 1998. Starbucks Malaysia has launched new drive-thru models store with quality and performance. To appreciate all the active member and their customers, Starbucks has based on season and they will give a discount and sale every month at a specific time frame. There are 4 zones with order zone, pay zone, pickup zone, and the one additional zone is waiting zone. For the problem statement that have in this current system is long queue of customer during peak hours in lunch time and dine time. Also, the second one is taking a long time to take order for the new customer. The next presentation will be on Fasihah Abdullah.
Okay, the aim for the simulation model is to improve higher standards of the service offered to our consumers and to make them more efficient by designing simulations from the existing data. And the main factor is there are 3 main factors which are human, service, and environment. We have 3 objectives for the modeling simulation, which are the first one is to reduce jam during peak hour, and second one is to minimize the customer queue by increase the drive-through lane, and the third one is to gain more customers. For the methodology, we use 3 methods, which are qualitative analysis, observation techniques, and online research method. Qualitative analysis approaches, such as observation techniques, have been used to achieve a deeper understanding of the case sample before building a simulation to solve the problem. The customer car that used the drive-through lane is the main target to be observed. This is to get more in-depth view of the customer reacts at peak hour. Also, online research method (ORMs) are used to gather data through the internet. The data needs such as how many cups of coffee per customer, the process of handling the customer order, and the total time per customer to exit the lane. The data is then used to model a particular simulation scenario. The next presentation will be on Aqilah Azhar.
This is the result of the simulation. So the current simulation at Starbucks drive-thru in Malaysia nowadays is use one-lane simulation. So we improve that to add another lane to make the simulation become more effective. So this is the layout. So this is the data that we input to the system. For the average data for one car to finish in the system. From the order zone to until the pickup zone. So this the data is auto-fit with the log normal distribution with rank 100. And this is the one lane simulation result for the total entries. Before the nowadays dia punya result total entries should be 135, and this is for one lane simulation, and after the improvement it should be 290. So the entries or the customer will be increased, and it can attract more customer to the Starbucks. So for the conclusion, the simulation shows that the management of Starbucks drive-thru during the peak hour can be improved to make sure the Starbucks does not lose their potential customer. The simulation is done to meet the objective, which are to reduce jam during peak hour, to minimize the customer queue by increase the drive-through lane, and to get more customer. Based on the existing system, drive-through with one lane will increase the time waiting for the customer. However, after the simulation, the result shows instead of using one lane, using two lane is more convenient to get more customer without waiting for a long time during peak hour. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, kita boleh tengok sini adalah untuk simulation untuk satu lane. Akila, boleh awak mainkan? Okay. Kita dapat tengok simulation untuk satu lane. Mengambil masa selama 24 hour untuk kita tu. Dan kita akan tengok statistik yang dikeluarkan oleh daripada simulation. Ni antara statistik yang kita dapat tengok daripada single lane. Total exit of the customer adalah 132 orang. Average time sebanyak 36.77 minit untuk setiap customer ambil order. Okay, seterusnya kita akan tengok untuk simulation yang dual lane ataupun double lane.
Okay.
Kita dapat tengok simulation yang kedua iaitu selepas iaitu double lane. Akila. Sama juga, kita akan mengambil masa selama 24 jam. Okey, sekarang kita dapat tengok peningkatan total customer sebanyak 274 orang. Maknanya objektif kita telah dicapai untuk menambahkan bilangan customer pada syarikat Starbucks drive-thru. Okay, itu saja untuk model simulation saya. Terima kasih.